Assalamu alaikum class. How are you? We will discuss chapter number 4, class 7. The objective of chapter number 4, student will be able to recognize and describe a set, list and describe the element of a set, recognize an empty set. A set, defined set. A set is a collection of well-defined and distinct objects. The objects of the sets are called element of the set. For example, we have a set like we have a set A contain the elements 4, 5, 6. Here set are denoted by capital letter A and the elements 4, 5, 6 are the element of a set. Subset: if every element of a set A is also every element of set B, we say that A is a subset of B. Examples: if A set contain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and B set contain 1, 2, 3, 4, all the elements of B containing in included in the set of A, which means B is a subset of A. Equal set: two sets are called to be equal set if they have the same elements. Empty set: if a set which does not contain any elements is called an empty set or null set. Singleton set: a singleton set is a set containing exactly one element. Disjoint set: two sets A and B are said to be disjoints if they do not have any element in common. Universal set: complement of a set. Example number 1. Question number 1. If universal set 1 to 20 and A is the multiple of 2, B is the multiple of 4 and C is the multiple of 3. List the element of the following: A which is equal to multiple of the 2. In universal set 1 to 20, the multiple of 2 is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. The multiple of 4, the set B, 4, 8, 6, 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20. The multiple of 3 is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and 18. Now we find the complement. The formula of A complement is universal set minus A universal set, which is equal to 1 to 20 minus A set which contain the element 2, 4, 6 to 20. We write all the element of A which is not in element. We write all the element of U which are not containing in A. For example, 1 which is containing in the universal set also in the set A. 1 minus 1 0. 2 minus 2 0. 3 which is not contained in the element of A, then 3 is the answer. 4 minus 4 0. 5 which is not contained in the set A, 5 is the answer. 6 which contain the element of A, 5 minus 6 minus 6 0 and so on. Complement of B which is equal to U minus B and complement of C which is equal to universal set minus C. Question number 2. If a universal set contain the element 30 to 45, list the complement of the following: set A, set B, C non-prime numbers, D multiple of 4, E multiple of 3. A complement, which the formula of A complement which is equal to U minus A. First of all, we write the element of universal set which are 30, 31, 32 to 45 minus 33, 37, 39, 42 and 44 which is given set A. We just हम यहाँ पे तमाम एलिमेंट्स जो ए में मौजूद हैं वो नहीं लिखेंगे, बाकी यूनिवर्सल के तमाम सेट जो एलिमेंट हैं वो आ जाएंगे। जैसे कि 30 मौजूद नहीं है ए सेट में तो 30 आ जाएगा, 31 आ जाएगा, 32 आ जाएगा, लेकिन 33 यूनिवर्सल सेट में ही मौजूद है और ए सेट में मौजूद है तो 33 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो 0 आएगा, वो हम नहीं लिखेंगे। सेम एज इट इज़ वी राइट 34, 35, 36 and 37 which is present in set universal set also present in a set. We cannot write same as it is. B complement which is equal to u minus b and universal set which contain the element 30 to 45 minus and B set which contain the element 30, 31, 32, 33, 34 and so on. We just write the element which is not present in B like 35, 43 and 44. C set C non-prime number are 30, 32, 33 and 45 and so on 45. Then we find the C complement which is equal to u minus C, same as it is D complement u minus D and E complement which is equal to u minus E. Question number 3. If the universal set 1 to 10 and A is a prime number in the universal set 1 to 10, the prime number of A is 2, 3, 5 and 7. B even number is 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10 which come the table of 2. And C is multiple of 5 is 5 and 10. A complement which is equal to universal set minus A. We write all the element which is not present in set A like 1, 4, 6, 8, 9 and 10, same as it is B complement and C complement. Next question is the Venn diagram show the element in universal set and A. And first part is list all the element in A and in universal set. List all the elements in A complement. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल बेटा आपको ये पता होना चाहिए कि यूनिवर्सल सेट क्या होता है। यूनिवर्सल सेट ऐसा सेट होता है जिसके अंदर तमाम एलिमेंट्स मौजूद होते हैं और जो इसके अंदर हमारे पास ए बी सी सेट होते हैं वो इसके सब सेट होते हैं। सब सेट वो होते हैं, सब सेट उसे कहते हैं जो लाइक यहाँ पे मैंने आपको बताया, डेफिनेशन भी लिखी है। सबसेट वो होता है जो जिसमें तमाम एलिमेंट मौजूद होते हैं दूसरे सेट के। फॉर एग्जांपल मैं यहाँ पे कहूँ कि ए सेट जो है वो कंटेन करता है एलिमेंट कैट, डॉग एंड माउस, लेकिन यहाँ पे यूनिवर्सल सेट है उसके अंदर मौजूद है हमारे पास ए सेट तो मौजूद है ही, क्योंकि ए जो सेट है वो सब सेट है यूनिवर्सल सेट का, लेकिन यूनिवर्सल सेट में हमारे पास लाइन और टाइगर भी मौजूद है। यहाँ पे अब फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमने बताना है ऑल द एलिमेंट इन ए एंड इन द यूनिवर्सल सेट। लिस्ट ऑल द एलिमेंट इन ए एंड यूनिवर्सल सेट। इन यूनिवर्सल सेट ऑल द एलिमेंट द रेक्टेंगुलर फॉर्म इज दिस वन। Rectangular form is show the universal set, and in universal set the elements are cat, dog, mouse, tiger and lion. All the elements are in universal set, present in the universal set, but in set A we write only these elements. There are 3 elements. Which one is cat, dog and mouse? Okay, B part is list all the elements in A complement. For same as it is, the formula of A complement is U minus A. First of all, we write the all element. First of all, we write the all element of U. U contain the element tiger, cat, dog, mouse, lion. Subtracted from cat, dog and mouse. Tiger which is not containing in A, then tiger is our answer. Cat subtracted from cat, dog subtracted from dog, and mouse subtracted from mouse. And lion, which is not contained in A, then lion, tiger and lion is a complement. Question number 10. Question number 5. It is given that universal set which contain the element 1 to 9 and A which is equal to contain the two elements 1 and 2 and B contain the four element 1 2 3 4. Draw a Venn diagram to illustrate the given information. Universal set 1 to 9, A is 1 2 and B is equal to 1 2 3 4. First of all, we check the element of A 1 and 2 which is also present in set B. That means the all element of set A present in B, which is mean A is subset of B. A is subset of B. When we draw the Venn diagram, first of all we make a universal set like that, rectangular form. Okay, the first set is A, which is the subset of B, and the A set contain the element 1 and 2. Then another circle which contain the element set of B, which contain 1 and 2, which is present in A. We write 1 2 3 and 4 in set B, and the universal set in which all elements and all the set of A and B present in the universal set 1 2 3 4 is we already write. The remaining are in the we write in the rectangular form like 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, here A is a set which contain the element 2 1 and 2, and B is the element which contain the element 1 2 3 4, and the universal set which contain the element 1 to 9. 1 2 3 4 we already write. We just write the remaining elements. Remaining elements are 5 6 7 8 and 9. Question number 6. It is given that universal set which is equal to x, these mean x such that x such that x is an integer between 1 and 10 inclusive, and B such that x such that x is an even number. List all the elements of universal set and of B in set notation. And B is draw a Venn diagram to represent the set universal and the B set. Universal set and B set. From the Venn diagram, list all the elements of B complement in the set notation. Describe the set B in the words. Universal set. First of all, we write the element of 1 to 10, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and B set contain the even number which is equal to 2 4 6 8 10. Come the table of 2. C part. From the Venn diagram, B part, we draw the Venn diagram. In Venn diagram there B is a subset of A. B is a subset of A because 2 4 6 8 10, which is also present in all element in universal set. First we write the B set. B set contain the element 2 4 6 8 10, and when we write the universal set, all the element which are present in B we write one time, and the remaining element 1 3 5 7 9 which are odd, then we write. From the Venn diagram, B complement. If we have a set, for example, if we have a universal set and A set. A set contain one element and 2 and 3. Universal set contain 1, 2, 3. Then A complement, we just write the element which are not present in A. A set contain one element, then we write 2 and 3 which are not present in A. Same as it is, B set contain the element 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and for B complement we just write the element which is not present in B. The the element which is not present in B is 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. We just write the element of 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 which is our required answer. Describe the set B complement in words. B complement is a set containing integers between 1 and 10 inclusive which are odd. Okay, not odd, odd numbers, which is our required answer. Next question is, if A contain the element 10, 20, 40, 60, 80, list the element of the following subset of A. Subset mean we write the set number which is divisible by 4. All the numbers are present in set A. When we write the divisible of 6, all the number present in the set A. Number divisible by 8, all the element present in A, and number divisible by 7 is all the element of set 7 is present in the set A. Definition of a subset: A is a subset of B if and only if every element of A is in B. For example, B is a set 1, 2, 3, 4, and A is a set which contains the element 1, 2, 3. The all element of A 1, 2, 3 which is present in set B 1, 2, 3, which mean A is a subset of B. Now we find the solution of question number 7. A set contain 10, 20, 40, 60 and 80, and A part is divisible by 4 for 10 which is not divisible by 4, we can't write the 10 in answer, but 20 which is divisible by 4 we write, 40 which is divisible by 4, and 60 which is divisible by 4, and 80 which is divisible by 4. When we write the set divisible by 4, we just write 20, 40, 60, 80. Divisible by 6, only 60 which is divisible by 6, then we write only 60. And divisible by 8, 40 and 80 are two elements which is divisible by 8, we just write 40 and 80. And divisible by 7, is there no number between in set A which is divisible by 7, we just write the khali set or empty set. We denote by empty set in curly bracket or phi. Question number 8. The Venn diagram show the element in A and in B. Set A contain the elements S, T, U, and set B contain the element S, U, T, V, X, W, Y, and Z. First part is list all the elements in set A and in set B. We just when we write the set of A, we just write the element of A which contains the element S, T, U, and A is a subset of B. When we write the set of B, we write all the elements of A as well as U. A set which is contained the element is S, T, U, V, and we write these number because which is this one is also present in set B. Then we write V, W, X, Y and Z. And B is a proper subset of B. Explain द क्वेश्चन ये है कि ए जो है वो प्रॉपर सबसेट है बी का, और एक्सप्लेन भी करे क्यों। तो आपको मैंने बताया है अगर ए के तमाम एलिमेंट बी के अंदर मौजूद हो तो वो उसका प्रॉपर सबसेट होता है, अदरवाइज़ वो नहीं होता। अब आपने देखा है कि सेट ए कंटेन कर रहा है एस टी यू और सेट बी जो है वो कंटेन कर रहा है एस टी यू। अब तमाम एलिमेंट्स ऑफ सेट ए, all the elements of set A containing in the set of B, which mean that A is a proper subset of B. Yes, A is a proper subset of B because every element of set A is an element of B, and A cannot equal to B. Cannot equal to B mean the element V, W, X, Y and Z which are not present in set A, that mean A and B are not equal set. If we have a set like 1 and 2, A which is equal to 1 and 2 and B which is equal to 1 and 2, here these sets are called improper set because the element are subset to each other. Okay, last question of this exercise in your syllabus, question number 9. It is given that A contains the element -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and B contains the element 0, 1, 2, 3. Draw a Venn diagram to represent these set A and B. Is B is the proper subset of A? Explain. First of all, solution question number 9. First of all, we write the element of set A -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and B set contains the element 0, 1, 2, 3. For Venn diagram, because B is a subset of A, first we draw a circle and write the element of B because B is a subset of A. Then A is a whole set. Then we draw a circle and write the element of A which are not present in B. In B, they contain the element 0, 1, 2 and 3. Because B is a subset of B is a subset of A, we cannot repeat the digits. The remaining digits are -2 and -1 in set A which is contains 0, 1, 2, 3, -1 and -2 which is our required answer. Okay, is there any question? अगर आपको बेटा कोई क्वेश्चन हो तो मुझसे कमेंट्स वगैरह में पूछ लिया करें। Then next is B is a proper subset of A? Explain. What is the definition of a proper set? Definition of a proper set is if the element of set A, all the element of A is containing in the set B, then A is called a proper set of B. As well as is B is a proper subset of A, the all element of set B 0, 1, 2, 3 present in the set of A, which mean B, yes, B is a proper subset of A, and -2 and -1 which are not present in A, that mean A and B are not equal set. So we can write the answer, yes, B is a proper subset of A because every element of B is an element of A and A cannot equal to B. अब बेटा आप लोगों की एक्सरसाइज 4 कंप्लीट हो गया है क्योंकि आपके सिलेबस के अंदर यहाँ आप क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 to 9 थे वो मैंने कंप्लीट करवा दिए हैं। तो अगर आपको कोई क्वेश्चन हो तो आप मुझसे ज़रूर पूछ लेना। लाइक, शेयर एंड कमेंट्स। अल्लाह हाफिज़।